Hello trader. Do binary options need a complex strategy? No. Two basic technical oscillators are enough for a stable profit. You can choose a broker from the vfxAlert list or add your platform. We will add Quotex broker. Everything is simple. In the settings, select the brokers section. Then enter the name of the broker and the site of the binary platform. Broker added to vfxAlert. Select Quotex in the list of brokers. Now you can register on the platform. To do this, enter email, password and select the account currency. If you already have an account, just enter your username and password. We will test the strategy on demo account. This is a must before trading with real money. Set the minute time frame. The option amount is 5% of the current deposit. Expiration is 5 minutes. We confirm the strategy on vfxAlert. We only look at Forex market signals. We do not use OTC signals. A trend change is determined by the change in the color of the histogram of the MACD oscillator and its position to the zero level. The option is opened when the trend reversal is confirmed by the awesome oscillator histogram. The color change or breakout direction of the zero level should be the same as the MACD. We start trading. Strong downtrend on the chart. Downward breakdown of the zero level awesome. Second confirmation from vfxAlert. Open down option. It is recommended to leave the basic settings on all time frames. Change settings on only 2 indicators. If you change only one oscillator, there will be many false signals. Follow strict money management. We pause trading after 2 losing trades in a row. We are waiting strong signal. The option is still at loss. Indicators continue to show downtrend. "30 seconds to expiration." The downtrend starts. The signal was correct. The option is in profit, waiting for expiration. The first option is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next signal. On the yen, green histograms of oscillators are above the zero level. The price is rising. Up option confirmation on vfxAlert. The saucer pattern shows a rollback of the current trend. At the bottom of the pattern, we open an option on the main movement. The pattern is stronger immediately after the breakdown of the zero level of the oscillators. Looking at the chart, the first upward breakdown of the MACD zero level and awesome. Then a short consolidation and pullback. Uptrend continues. The deal is in the money. We are not opening options yet. A strong uptrend is far from the opening level. No signs of quick reversal. The option is in the money. The second profit on the account. The strongest signal of the strategy will be the breakdown of the zero level of the oscillators. This means that the balance of power between buyers and sellers has really changed in the market. All market makers quickly close big positions. We are waiting a breakdown on two indicators. We do not open an option on one breakdown. Additional signals show local rollbacks and corrections. They also confirm a rollback from the borders of the side channel. They give good results on scalping and periods of high volatility. We always look for candlestick or technical patterns on the chart. They can give a leading signal or confirm oscillators. Reversal candle combinations work better on scalping. Trend continuation patterns are traded on timeframes longer than 10 minutes. We continue to trade the Australian dollar. Reversal candlestick pattern at the end of a downtrend. Oscillators and vfxAlert confirm the reversal. You can open the up option. Indicators are always late, especially the moving average on which the MACD and awesome work. Their combination reduces the delay, but it remains. There were all conditions for the up option, but the deal was at a loss. This is fine. There are no strategies in which all signals are correct. There is still time. There may be a quick rollback to the opening level. Option loss. Probably the market goes into a sideways trend. We are waiting for the next signal. Euro dollar again. Upward reversal of oscillator histograms and vfxAlert confirm the third up option. Binary profit is always less than the amount of deals. To compensate for a possible loss, you need 2 consecutive profitable trades. If the first next deal covers most of the loss, there is a total profit, you can end the trade. Don't take risks. Leave the profit given by the market. We skip all signals 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after the publication of important fundamental news and statistics. They will be false. Expiration soon. Flat near the opening level. If the profit ends the trade. We close the profit and summarize. Less than an 34 minutes profit $715 or plus of 7% to deposit. It is the very good result.